In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Microsoft PowerPoint as administrator on Windows 11 and Windows 10 in just a few seconds. This is a super simple trick, but it can be really useful if you need PowerPoint to have elevated permissions for certain files, add-ins, or troubleshooting tasks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Windows tutorials. Let's get started. First, click the Start menu on your Windows PC. Once the Start menu opens, type PowerPoint into the search bar. You should see Microsoft PowerPoint appear in the search results. Now right-click on PowerPoint to open the context menu. From there, click Run as Administrator. Windows may ask you to confirm the action with a user account control prompt, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. After that, PowerPoint will open with administrator rights enabled, and that's it. You've now successfully launched Microsoft PowerPoint as an administrator on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech guides just like this one.